Hi, I'm Diane. I was given this Dawn Deere portable cassette stove in return for this video, so let's talk about it. I just love how cute the design is, how it opens up. It does have this ring diffuser, which allows for even heating and improved fuel utilization. As far as the cooking surface, you have these non-slip aluminum alloy tooth brackets. Now these are really strong, so you can put a pretty heavy pot on here. Now when you turn this on, the ignition switch is right here. It's electronic, and you just turn this and then you can adjust the level of the flame. And what you're looking for is that blue flame. That's the perfect temperature right there. And as you can see here, it does an excellent job with even cooking. And I also love that it comes in this cute little storage bag that makes it really easy to take with you. You can put it in here like so when you're done using it. And then it just does this. It's kind of a neoprene material. And there you go. You can then put this, strap it on here, or use this here to attach it to your backpack or whatever. I just love this. I love how portable it is, how handy it is, and how solid. This is really, really well made. So it'll serve you for many, many years. So definitely check this out. I love it. It just really did a great job